Keeping your Paslode cordless 1.5-inch positive placement metal connector nailer lubricated and running smoothly is an important part of regular tool maintenance. Without lubrication, the tool won't work properly, and the parts will wear prematurely. When your tool is in the firing position and the trigger is pulled, if you hear the combustion but no nail is driven, that is a blank fire. If your tool is blank firing, contact the service center or call the 1-800 number on your tool for troubleshooting assistance. Misfiring is when no combustion occurs. This could be caused by an empty fuel cell or built up residue or debris inside the tool. To avoid misfires, perform regular maintenance every 6 to 12 months, depending on your usage and your environment. This process will ensure you stay productive. To clean your tool, you'll need a few clean shop rags, Paslode tool cleaner, Paslode cordless tool lubricating oil, a flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx wrench, and the 5/32 and 3/16 Allen wrenches that come in the carrying case. Paslode cordless tool oil is specially formulated for use in Paslode cordless tools. Use of other lubricants may cause rapid combustion residue or result in premature part failure, so always make sure you are using genuine Paslode products. Start by removing the battery, fuel, and nails from your nailer. Using your T20 Torx wrench, remove the 2 screws at the base of the handle. There are specifically designed holes in the belt hook and magazine for easy access to these screws. Then, use the 5/32 Allen wrench to remove the screw at the top of the handle. Be aware that there is a nut on the reverse side that will need to be held in place while unscrewing. The nut may pop out or stay in place during the following steps. Using your flathead screwdriver, remove the grill from the back of the tool. Remove the filter and set it to the side. Using the 5/32 Allen wrench, remove the 4 cap screws and set them aside. With your flathead screwdriver, rotate the cylinder head back to protect the fan blade while disassembling the tool. Separate the handle and housing assemblies. Set the handle assembly aside. Wipe the visible ring and fingers using the shop rag. Apply Paslode cordless tool oil to the ring. Grab the handle assembly. Use the Paslode cordless tool cleaner to spray the fan and cylinder head. Make sure to also clean the spark plug. With your shop rag, wipe the fan and cylinder head clean. Make sure not to bend the fan blades. Set the handle assembly aside. Grab the filter and spray with tool cleaner. Use your clean shop rag to wipe the filter. To reassemble the tool, grab the handle assembly and make sure the cylinder head is rotated in the back position. Take the housing assembly and realign it to the handle using the tabs. Rotate the cylinder head forward until it's flush with the housing. You may hear a snap noise. Grab the cap and 4 cap screws. Start by driving the top left screw fully. Then install the lower right screw. Then install the remaining 2 screws. Align the filter on the cap and reinstall the grill. Make sure the nut is installed into the top of the handle and reinsert the screw while holding the nut in place and tighten. Insert and tighten the 2 screws at the bottom of the handle. Now that the tool is completely assembled and all screws are tightened, test the tool for proper operation. During the first few shots, you might see some smoke come out of the exhaust ports. That's normal and should only last a few shots. If you experience any issues after cleaning, call Paslode technical support.